What kind of mobile phone are you looking for?
I'm looking for a smartphone with good performance and battery life.
What brand do you prefer?
I prefer Samsung because its phones are reliable.
What is your budget range for the phone?
I want something around 50,000 rupees.
What size of display do you like?
I like a phone with a large display, around 6.5 inches.
What type of camera quality do you need?
I want a phone with a good front and back camera for clear photos.
What storage capacity are you interested in?
I prefer 1 GB storage for apps and videos.
What color do you want for your mobile phone?
I like black or blue color because they look elegant.
What kind of processor performance do you expect?
I want a fast processor that can handle multiple apps smoothly.
What battery capacity would you like?
I prefer at least a 5,000 mAh battery for long usage.
What operating system do you like more?
I like Android because it's easy to use and flexible.
What model are you planning to buy?
I'm thinking about buying the Samsung Galaxy A15.
What made you choose this model?
I chose it because it has a great camera and battery backup.
What kind of charger type do you prefer?
I prefer a Type-C charger because it charges faster.
What features are most important to you?
Camera quality, storage, and battery life matter most to me.
What kind of phone case are you planning to buy?
I'll get a transparent silicone case to protect it.
What do you think about phones with fast charging?
I think they're great because they save time.
What kind of warranty do you expect?
I expect at least a 1-year warranty for the phone.
What accessories do you want with your new phone?
I want a screen protector, case, and wireless earphones.
What memory size are you considering?
I prefer HD RAM for smooth multitasking.
What type of phone design attracts you most?
I like sleek designs with slim bezels.
What brand's camera do you trust most?
I trust Apple and Samsung cameras for quality photos.
What is your opinion on refurbished phones?
I don't like refurbished phones because I prefer new ones.
What kind of screen protection do you want?
I want Gorilla Glass for extra safety.
What display resolution do you prefer?
I like full HD plus resolution for clear viewing.
What kind of mobile phone do you use currently?
I'm using an old Vivo phone that needs an upgrade.
What feature do you use the most on your phone?
I mostly use the camera and social media apps.
What kind of fingerprint sensor do you prefer?
I prefer an in-display fingerprint sensor.
What do you think about water-resistant phones?
I think they are very useful for safety.
What kind of speaker quality do you expect?
I want loud and clear sound with deep bass.
What type of phone do you want for gaming?
I want a phone with a strong processor and cooling system.
What storage expansion option do you prefer?
I prefer phones with a memory card slot.
What do you think about phones with 5G connectivity?
I think they are future-ready and faster.
What kind of display do you like, AMOLED or LCD?
I like AMOLED because it shows bright and vivid colors.
What kind of selfie camera do you want?
I want a high-quality front camera for sharp selfies.
What kind of phone do you want for work purposes?
I want a phone with large storage and long battery backup.
What do you expect from a phone's durability?
I expect it to be strong and long-lasting.
What kind of brand do you trust for reliability?
I trust Samsung and Apple for durability.
What kind of phone fits your daily routine?
I need a phone that works fast and lasts all day.
What price range do you consider affordable?
Between 40,000 and 60,000 rupees feels affordable to me.
What type of charger speed do you like?
I prefer phones with 25W or faster charging.
What kind of mobile display brightness do you want?
I want high brightness for outdoor use.
What kind of phone do you want for photography?
I need a phone with a good camera sensor and image stabilization.
What kind of storage option is best for you?
128 GB storage is enough for my apps and media.
What do you think about foldable phones?
They look stylish but are too expensive for me.
What kind of battery backup do you expect in a day?
I expect it to last at least a full day of heavy use.
What kind of sound quality do you need for music?
I like clear sound with balanced bass.
What kind of phone suits your style?
A sleek and lightweight phone suits my style.
What made you decide to upgrade your phone?
My old phone became slow and outdated.
What kind of phone do you want for social media use?
I want a fast phone with a good front camera.
What kind of security features do you prefer?
I prefer facial unlock and fingerprint security.
What kind of SIM support do you want?
I prefer dual SIM support for convenience.
What type of brand do you usually buy?
I usually buy Samsung because I trust its quality.
What kind of deals are you looking for today?
I'm looking for a phone with a discount or free accessories.
What kind of phone do you want for video editing?
I want a powerful phone with high RAM and processor speed.
What kind of phone case style do you like?
I like slim, transparent cases that show the design.
What kind of performance do you expect from your new phone?
I expect smooth and fast performance for multitasking.
What kind of camera settings do you usually use?
I often use portrait and night mode for photos.
What kind of phone suits your profession?
A reliable smartphone with good camera quality suits my work.
What kind of mobile brand are you thinking about today?
I'm thinking about buying a Xiaomi or Samsung phone.
What kind of screen size feels comfortable to you?
A 6.5-inch screen feels perfect for my hands.
What kind of mobile do your friends use mostly?
Most of my friends use Samsung and Infinix phones.
What kind of internet speed do you expect from your phone?
I expect fast 5G speed with stable connectivity.
What kind of mobile phone do you like for watching movies?
I like phones with AMOLED display and stereo sound.
What kind of mobile do you want for business use?
I need a phone with high storage and security options.
What kind of charger do you prefer, wired or wireless?
I prefer wireless charging for convenience.
What kind of budget phone do you find valuable?
Phones around 45,000 rupees with good specs are valuable.
What kind of mobile accessories do you like to buy?
I like to buy cases, protectors, and earphones.
What made you choose this shop to buy your phone?
I heard this shop offers genuine products and fair prices.
What kind of trade-in options are you looking for?
I want to exchange my old phone for a discount.
What kind of mobile do you think lasts the longest?
Apple phones usually last longer than others.
What kind of features do you want in your new phone?
I want a great camera, strong battery, and large storage.
What kind of material do you prefer for the phone body?
I like metal or glass body phones for a premium feel.
What kind of screen refresh rate do you prefer?
I prefer a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling.
What kind of mobile brand do you think offers best value?
Realme offers great features at a reasonable price.
What kind of display type do you like for gaming?
I like AMOLED displays with high refresh rates.
What kind of phone do you think is best for students?
A budget Android phone with long battery life is best.
What kind of phone do you want for video calls?
I want a phone with a high-quality front camera.
What kind of RAM size do you need for daily use?
I need 8 GB RAM for running multiple apps easily.
What kind of model are you comparing right now?
I'm comparing Samsung A15 and Redmi Note 13.
What kind of offer do you expect from this shop?
I expect a small discount or free accessories.
What kind of phone would you recommend to your friends?
I'd recommend phones with long battery and good cameras.
What kind of mobile phone do you plan to gift someone?
I plan to gift a budget-friendly smartphone with a big display.
What kind of mobile store service do you prefer?
I prefer helpful staff and genuine products.
What kind of payment method will you use today?
I'll pay through my debit card.
What kind of protection plan do you want for your phone?
I want a screen damage protection plan for safety.
What kind of color do you think looks premium?
Midnight black looks premium and stylish.
What kind of phone will fit your daily lifestyle?
A fast and long-lasting phone fits my lifestyle.
What kind of warranty terms do you usually check?
I check for a 1-year warranty with service support.
What kind of phone are you finally choosing today?
I'm choosing the Samsung Galaxy A15 because it meets all my needs.